Hi everybody, on today's video I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. Something perfect for Valentine's Day. You see I have my red on, feeling festive. I had no idea which one I wanted to use, so that's why I have this on here. But I already carved out my eyebrows and now we're just going to get started. Hopefully this is going to be simple and easy and fun. So let's get started. First, I'm going in with my Revolution London Reloaded palette, and I'm going to use this red color right here, and I'm going to put it from right above my socket, almost touching my eyebrow, but not exactly, and I'm just going to blend it back and forth. Now I'm going to take my Crimson Edition palette by Rimmel London, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's a darker shade, like a burgundy or something like that. It's a little darker than the red that I placed at the top. So as I'm going in with this darker shade, you're going to stay right under here. You're not going to go above that. You're going to stay right here in the socket. Don't go up higher than that. We're just trying to deepen this color a little bit. I'm going back in with that same crimson palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful shimmery, I want to say it's like, I don't even know what color this is, but it's like a shimmery red, I guess you can say. And I'm going to place that right in this little bitty area. I'm taking a gold glitter liner and placing it on top of that shimmery eyeshadow. I'm going into that same eyeshadow palette that I've been using, and I'm going to take this beautiful gold and use it to highlight under my eyebrows. Now I'm going to do a primer, and it's called Glam Glow, and I'm just going to put it all over my face to prime my face for my foundation. And then I'm going in with True Match Lumi in a lighter shade around my highlighted area. And I'm just going to place it all around those areas, and then I'm going to move on to a darker shade. I'm going in with my Covergirl by Queen Collection in a darker shade to complete my foundation application. For some reason, this concealer is looking a little red, like it has some type of pink tint. What that's about, I do not know. I'm hoping it still comes out okay. Still looks okay, but I don't know what's going on with that concealer today. Why does it look pinkish? That's strange. So y'all, I'm not really sure why that concealer has like a pink tint today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Banana Deep by Revolution London. I'm gonna go in with that and put that there because I'm not happy with that. So the contour that I just used was Sunkiss by AOA. Now I'm gonna go over that with my bronzer and blend it together at the same time. By E.L.F. This is in the shade Deep. Okay, so now I have my baking powder blended in. So now I'm gonna go in with a little blush, and the blush I'm gonna be using today is by E.L.F. in the shade Pink Passion. So with the blush, I like to try to put the blush in between where I baked and in between where I contoured. So right in this little area. Now, if you ever feel like your highlight is a little bit too strong, you always just go back over whatever area on your face you want to blend out. Just go back in with your foundation brush. Okay, so now that I'm pretty much finished with my face, because that's all I want to do to it, I'm going to go back in with my eyeshadow brush that I use. And I just want to blend this out because I kind of messed it up when I was applying my foundation. And I don't like that line. So I'm gonna just go and blend it out some. Just like that. You don't even need to put more eyeshadow on the brush if you mess up like that. Just pick it back up and just blend it out with the color that's already there. So now I'm gonna take that little brush that I used before and go back in with this gold color here. And I just wanna put some there. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with my Revolution London palette. That very first color that I used, I'm gonna go back in with that, which was this one right here. And I'm gonna put that on my waterline. All the way until it meets the rest of the eyeshadow. And guys, that's pretty much it for that. Now let's move on to the lips. So at first I was thinking let's do something natural, but no, I'm gonna go all in, and I'm gonna go in with this color here. So now guys, I'm gonna take that highlighter that I used before, and I'm gonna put a little bit of it on my lips. Okay guys, this is my finished look. This was very simple, very easy, just something to throw on for Valentine's Day. I hope you're gonna have a happy Valentine's Day. If you have a Valentine, that's great. If you don't, that's great too. You don't always need them. Trust me, you don't always need them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers, which I'm ecstatic about. I've come a long way, and I've been having so much fun doing this channel. This is like an outlet for me because I have real life things going on that you wouldn't believe. I feel like I should have a reality show. I wouldn't want nobody to know my business, but this is an outlet for me. It's somewhere I could come and just forget about all the issues that I have going on in my life and with my body. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can know anytime I drop a video. Until next time, bye.